In this video, I'm going to show you how to add browser preview in Google Antigravity. So just follow these steps exactly. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Google Antigravity software on your computer. Now, once Antigravity opens, look at the top right menu and click on the Chrome icon, and this will open a Chrome browser window. Now, once the browser opens, you'll see an option to install the extension. So just click on Install Extension. I already install it, that's why the button is not shown here. Now after that, click on the Get button and then click on Add Extension to confirm. Now once the extension is added, you'll be prompted to turn on New Tab Page Settings, so just click on Turn On. Now after that, make sure the Antigravity browser extension is enabled. Now once everything is enabled, the browser preview page will be set up and working inside Google Antigravity. And that's it. You have successfully added browser preview for Google Antigravity. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.